Hey YouTube, this is Mike. I wanted to do a quick video for brakes, what not to buy for a Polaris. This is my RZR 900. Back in February, I replaced the brake pads. I went to Amazon and I bought 4 sets. And I bought these. They were manufactured by Niche, I don't know how you say that, Industries. And the machine had 1,220 miles when I replaced it. I did all 4 of them. My machine currently has 1,330 miles, so I've only got 110 miles on these. The brake pads, I had a right rear tire flat, which is what caused me to pull the pads off. And here's what the right rear one of the pads looked like. The pad was completely missing. And here's another one. I decided to pull the front opposite corner off, and the same thing. And here's one of the pads. I think what happened is those pads released and they fell off. So as a result, brake pads are toast. I bought them from Amazon for like, I don't know, they were $12 per wheel maybe. So I went to the dealer and I actually bought Polaris brake pads. As you can see, the Polaris brake pads, the pad itself is about as thick as the material on the pad. So I went ahead and bought 4 new sets. So again, I'd stay away from the junky product. I'm lucky my rotors did not get damaged. So I got this wheel that was a flat and I want to pull it off. Pads didn't look right. So as a result, I also did the opposite corner, pulled it apart. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace all 4 of them again. So the original pads, I got 1,220 miles on them. So hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you much.